Dear students, welcome to primaveraengineer.com. In this class, we are going to see how to add cost to activities or resources. Go to resources. Here, you can see the resource type of labor, non-labor and materials. All the resource type has no unit prices. Here you can see 0. You can see here over here there is no unit prices for any resources. Okay, so our first job to add unit prices to resources. Okay, example for carpenter, I am giving 8 real per hour. Mason, I am giving 7 real per hour. Excavator, I am giving 35 or 45 real per hour. I am giving steel fixer 8 real per hour. Crane around 65 real per hour. Painter 4 real per hour. Tie fixers 9 reals per hour. Tipper truck 35 reals per hour. So now we assigned price per unit prices to resources. Okay, now go to tools and click recalculate assignment cost. Give OK. Here if you assigned overtime factor, okay, you can check this box, else you can leave it. Recalculate. Okay, so now the Primavera recalculated the unit prices to activities. Go to activities, here resources, you can see the unit prices over here. This unit prices multiplied by budgeted unit and giving a budgeted cost. Okay, this column and this column multiplied and giving us a budgeted cost. Okay, I am going to tell you how to add expenses cost. Okay, here you can see expenses. If this activity, example for this this shop drawing submission activity has no quantity, has no bill of quantity, has no value to add. Okay, so in this case we can add and give a value over here 25,000. This cost will be a provisional sum. Okay, this cost 25,000 will be a provisional sum. So in this type of activities, activities which has no bill of quantity or unit prices, we can add cost in this way. This is another way to add budgeted cost. Okay, so like this way we can add expenses cost as 28,000. So like this way we can add expenses cost to activities. Now what happened, just go to columns, go to cost, and here budget expenses cost, labor cost, material cost, non-labor cost, total cost, apply. Okay, so these all columns is now are opened. So you can see for this activity we added only budgeted expenses cost. That's why it is not displaying the labor, non-labor and material cost. Okay, this cost, this 4 column value, expenses cost, labor cost, non-labor cost and budgeted material cost, all this 4 column value will added and showing in the budgeted total cost. Okay, we come over here. Okay, here we added budgeted labor cost and non-labor cost. These two value, okay, added together and displaying over here. You want to check, take calculator. 58,500 plus 30,375. You can see the value. So budgeted total cost means this is the addition of expenses cost, labor cost, non-labor cost, material cost. Okay, so we can assign labor, non-labor, material and expenses cost to any activities. Okay, if you have labor, non-labor and material units, you can assign labor and non-labor material cost. But if you don't have these labor units or material units and non-labor units, directly you can assign the cost in the budgeted expenses cost. Okay, thank you very much.